cars. Okay, now put it in like that. And then when I go back, I get all the pictures the way that I like for them to be. So then I turn back around and I glue them down. Like this car right here. This is a pretty flower. So I kind of like. You just have to work with it until you can kind of get it to how you want it. Just don't like the ends like that, so I'm kind of going. Okay. See that. And then like this. I thought about this thing to kind of give you an idea in case you may want to try this. Okay, I'm gonna push these down here. I'm gonna come to the end of my white paper right here. This is a piece right here. So what I'm gonna do on the back of it, and I hope this glue right here hold it down, because I don't use this type of glue, but and to keep this sealed down, I want to make sure that I come with this piece right here, overlap it just a little bit this way. Okay guys, I've cut out all the pictures on my cards like this right here, writing what I'm gonna put on the frame. Now what I do, I go back, just move certain pieces of it, and I'm going to use some type of glue that's gonna put the glue on the back of it, so we can hold it down, and so I can come back and I can do, like if I want to put little like this right here, like a bird and flower, little things like this right here. I think it's pretty neat, like this right here. I like these little stamps that come off the envelope. So it can kind of go in certain spots. And so what I'm gonna do, go ahead on and finish this on up, and then when I come back, I have a finished product so you can see it, and then I have it in the, and I will have it in the frame as well. All right. I finally finished my board, encouragement board. Thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in to A Taste of Angela Lifestyle. And tell your friends, tell your family about Angela. Subscribe to my channel And I tell you, you'll be surprised. Some nice things I be doing on this channel. Very nice things. This is something that you can always keep. Like I said, when you get cards from friends or loved ones that you decide to put them in a box somewhere, put them away, put them in a frame. And this is what we have right here. And like I said, stay tuned to A Taste of Angela Lifestyle. I thank you. God bless you. And come back and see me now. Here, thank you.